Yeah, good evening, friends. Is somebody live today? Okay, let me start talking on the topic. So, friends, there is a delay and gap in my previous video to now. So, we were discussing about the topic Secret, the book by Rhonda Byrne, and this is your Pradeep Patel, the millionaire mentor, and the journey of transforming the middle class to the millionaires. So, dear friends, in this journey, we discussed about what is mindset, conditioning of mindset. We also discussed about various other topics about the contingency fund. Then later on, we discussed about the success formula, SAI strategy, acceptance and implementation part. Then later on, we also taken a lot of many other examples. And in this journey, we also started discussing about the great famous book by Rhonda Byrne, The Secret. In that also, we were discussing about many points. What is the secret? How we can succeed in life? What is law of attraction? How it happens? How we go through the law of attraction in our life? And we also might have crossed through this law of attraction many a times in our life. So, dear friends, I have quoted many examples, maybe your first bike, maybe your first car, maybe your first house, which has not come to you through an accident. It is a sheer effort, desire, your thought with whatever the mind which is conceived in your mind, you believed it, and finally you have achieved it. And this is the secret, friends. Whatever you ask to this universe wholeheartedly, you believe in it, finally you will achieve. It will be in your hands. Whatever it is in your mind, one day with wholeheartedly you start believing it, it will be into your that thought will become a thing in your hand. So whatever it may be, any damn thing, whatever you want, so you can start, as we have discussed, like you can start thinking about small things and make it happen. So in this journey we are also discussed about not only law of attraction, how to utilize and how to make into practice this law of attraction through gratitude. What is gratitude? Again, we said like thanking the universe, thanking the Lord, whomever you pray. It may be Lord Allah, Lord Jesus, or Rama, Krishna, anybody, whomever you feel that like you are believing wholeheartedly, you ask them what you want in this life. First ask, believe, then you will receive. Whatever you ask, you will receive. But it should be a clear, clarity should be there. And that asking is also is an art of connecting yourself to the God, your thoughts to the God, or to the universe. What you want in this life, you should ask in a clear way, not in like I will feel happy if I get something, not like that. Be clear. What is that you are looking forward? And you should have a clear mind. Clarity should be always there in your asking. With whatever you are asking, you should feel and you should believe in that, and finally you will receive it. So there is the secret, the three-step formula of the secret is also ask, believe, and receive. Many people ask, but they don't believe in it. If they don't believe, you won't receive it. And stop talking negative things. As we said, our mind is unbiased. Whatever you ask, you will get it. You talk about negative things, you will get negative only. You start talking abundance, positive things, you get positive things. So in that regard, the next chapter we are going to discuss is the secret of you, the secret to you. Everything is energy. You are an energy magnet, and you are electrically energize everything to you and electrically energize yourself to everything. That means your mind is a magnet, and whatever you attract through your mind with the electromagnetic waves which travel in this world, whatever you are asking, you will receive it. And you also get attracted to those things. So it is not an accident, you are getting attracted. Once you get attracted, so that is what exactly it says, like everything is energy. The energy is in you only. You can convert. You are the power station. You can get whatever you want with that energy. So dear friends, you are a magnet of energy. Your energy magnet, you are electrically energized everything to you. So whatever you start thinking, you're focusing on that, it will be received to you. That depends upon how constantly you are focusing on that fast you receive it. How, if you are not focusing on that point, automatically it will be delayed. You will receive it one day, but by the time the connectivity issue will be there. So 100% you should have a complete clarity about what you want. So the affirmations also should be very clear what exactly you want. So how to do the affirmations, I'll tell you in the next video, but today we'll be talking about why we should do the affirmations, what we are going to ask, and how we are going to ask. This universe should feel that as if you have received it, then only you get it. You feel negative, you cannot get positive things. You do think about negative things and you cannot expect positive things. In the last video we were discussed about it. So you think about positive, you think about abundance, you think about possibilities, 100% things will go in the positive way. So friends, there's one more quote: the universe emerges from thought. Your universe also emerges from the thought. We are the creators not only of our own destiny but also of the universe. We are the creators of not only of our own destiny but from the universe. Again, the word is saying that we are all connected and we are all one. We are all connected some way or the other. We are all connected to each other and we are all one. Let's go off the difficulties from your past, cultural codes and social beliefs. You are the only one who can create the life you deserve. It's very important quote, friends. Let's go off the difficulties from your past, cultural codes and social beliefs. You are the only one who can create the life you deserve. Your life, whatever the way you want it, you are the creator of it. You think positive, positive things happen. You start thinking negative, negative things come to you. So a shortcut to manifesting your desire is to see what you want as absolute fact. The shortcut to manifesting your desires is to see what you want as absolute fact. Whatever you want, see it as a fact, and automatically you will receive it. So friends, your power is in your thoughts. So stay aware. In other words, remember to remember. Your power is in your thoughts. However you are started, the way you start thinking, you will travel, your mind will travel in the same way and you will receive it. So dear friends, today we have started discussing about how we should think, what kind of a thoughts you should develop in a day by day. Your mind is a magnet and it will start receiving whatever we start thinking it. You think positive, it will happen positive. You think about receiving something, you feel about it, 100% you will receive it. So start in a positive way. So in our journey from a middle class mindset to a millionaire, the main thing is the thought process. And first we should always empty your mind and start thinking in a positive way, and 80% of your life is your skill set which can be done. So if your mindset is clear, 20% only will be depend upon your skill set and 80% is your mindset. and the mindset will be perfect only we have positive thoughts in your mind. So if you want to change your style of life, you want to come out of the comfort zone, you want to grow in the life, the first and the foremost thing is start changing in your thinking style. The way you think, the way you do, if you do in the same way, you get the same results. You want different results, you start thinking in a different way from today. Finally you will get different results. So all that's all for today, friends. So we'll meet tomorrow again. My challenge is going on. Hi Raj garu, very good evening. Murari garu, very good evening. Thank you.